Imagine a world where you don't need thousands of followers to make money online, where your influencer can be completely virtual, creating content 24/7 and helping you earn without cameras, crews, or fancy equipment. This is not science fiction. This is the future of AI content creation. With Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio, anyone can build a digital influencer, upload videos, and see how AI influencers are the easiest way to earn in 2026.
Let me show you the final result first. What you're seeing right now is entirely AI generated. And just to be clear, even this image was generated using Higgsfield itself. Nothing here is real. The character, the face, and the style are all created entirely by AI. I simply selected the look, chose the style, and generated everything from scratch.
Now I'm gonna jump into Google and search for Higgsfield. Just a quick note, there is no official mobile app for Higgsfield. The platform works only through the website, so make sure you're on the official domain.
Now I'll click on the first result in the search.
So this is the Higgsfield.ai website. At a high level, Higgsfield is a web-based AI platform that focuses on generating cinematic videos, high-quality images, and a wide range of powerful AI tools. And now it also includes AI influencers. Everything here works directly in the browser. The platform is mainly built for content creators, marketers, advertisers, and anyone interested in AI-powered content creation.
Here in the image section, we can see that Higgsfield gives us access to many different AI image models, and each model is optimized for a specific type of result. For example, Nano Banana Pro. This is one of the best models for generating ultra-high-quality 4K images. It's ideal for realistic scenes, product shots, and detailed compositions. Also offers many other AI models for different purposes, Dream 4.5 and Flux 2.0. Now in the video section, we also get access to multiple advanced AI video models, each designed for different use cases. For example, Kling 2.6. This model is great for cinematic videos with audio, and Sora 2 and Wan 2.6. Cinematic quality, talking avatars, storytelling, or fast generation, all inside one single platform. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you the Influencer Studio. Here, you can explore a brand new feature that was just launched. The AI Influencer Studio lets you create a unique AI character with over 90 configurable parameters to customize every detail of their look and identity. You can bring them to life with motion control. It's a completely new way to create content, whether you want something hyper-realistic, stylized, unconventional, or totally original. This character is completely yours. And you can write a prompt to create your character. First, we can choose the type of character. As you can see, there are also non-human characters, which are really interesting. But for this video, we're going to select a human character. You can also create multiple unique characters, each one with its own style and identity, all fully customized by you. Next, you can select any gender you want. I'm going to choose male. You can also choose the ethnicity. For this video, I'll go with Asian features. Here, we can pick the skin tone and eye color as well. And as you can see, there are multiple options available for each feature, giving you full flexibility to customize your character. I want to highlight that there are many options, including skin conditions, to make your character more realistic or stylized. Here, I'll pick the age group, which shapes their overall look. In the advanced settings, you can also customize body shape and size, giving your character a unique presence. Every choice adds personality and identity, making your character truly come to life. I will choose someone with muscles. I will choose the hair type, and that will be enough to show you the amazing result. Now I'm going to click on Generate Influencer. Higgsfield offers free attempts so you can experiment and see how your character turns out before finalizing.
Now we just wait a few moments until the character is fully generated. What's really exciting here is that we're no longer limited to real people. The internet is already full of digital characters, and now with AI, we can create our own unique influencers with full control over their identity, style, and personality. All right, and here we go. The result looks amazing. It's really impressive. What's even better is that I can edit the image using text instructions. For example, if I want red hair, I can simply type, "I want red hair." Let's wait a bit.
You can type anything you want to change, whether it's the character's look or details, to create a truly unique personality. This gives you unlimited freedom to experiment and design a character that stands out and feels original.
And as you can see, it did exactly what I asked for. That's really powerful and super easy to use.
If we look over here, we can find the free motion library, which includes a large collection of different movements and animations. This gives you a lot of flexibility to choose the perfect motion that matches your scene and makes your character feel natural.
Now, I can also choose the output quality, 720p or 1080p. And once I'm happy with everything, I'll click on Generate to apply it to the character.
We just need to wait a little until everything is processed. I will open the video and load it right now. All right, let's play it.
Blunt. You put my hand in the cuffs. King.
Wow, the result is amazing. It looks incredibly clean and natural. There are no noticeable errors at all, and the overall quality is really impressive.
Now, I'm going to head back to the home page to show you another powerful feature called Higgsfield Earn. Higgsfield Earn is the first ever monetization platform where creators can earn real money directly from Higgsfield just by uploading their content. We're starting with AI influencer style content, and this will expand to more content types in the future, which makes this platform really exciting for creators.
Here, we can see how Higgsfield Earn works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in. You connect your social media account and verify ownership instantly, with no manual approval needed. Step 2. Post. You create your video content and post it to your feed. Then simply paste the link into your dashboard so Higgsfield can start tracking it. Step 3. Get your money. You unlock tier-based rewards and get paid for every approved video, plus 24-hour and 7-day bonus rewards. So the whole process is simple, fast, and creator-friendly. Create, post, and earn. I've tried it myself, and honestly, it's impressive. There are so many features to explore, and creating a unique AI character has never felt this easy and fun. Check out the link in the description if you want to try it yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.